This is a guide for the quest Earns the Chicken, and the items you will need is 1 spade. To start this quest, go to Draenor Manor in the green circle, talk to Veronica and choose the options on screen. Go into the house, climb up 2 stairs, talk to the professor and choose the options on screen. Climb down a floor, go into the room to the west and pick up the fish food. Climb down the stairs and go into the room to the west and pick up the poison. Go all the way into the east room and pick up a spade if you didn't bring one. Go out the door and go southwest to the orange circle on the screen. Use the poison on the fish food if you haven't already, and use the poison food on the fountain. Go a little north and use your spade and the compass to receive a key. Go back into the house and go into the room with the skeleton and pick up the rubber tube. Go into the west room in the red circle and climb down the ladder. To get the oil, you will pull down the levers in that room to open the doors. The green numbers is the order you should pull down the levers in, and the red number is the order you should go through the doors in. When you have all 4 items, climb up the ladder and climb up the stairs. Talk to the professor and you have completed the quest.